Hey guys, it's Jacqueline from Donna and Team New Bern, and I am here obviously on the beautiful waterfront with Dean and Antonio of Persimmons Restaurant. Dean here is the manager, right? General manager here at Persimmons, and Antonio is the chef here. So big responsibility on both these guys and making sure this wonderful waterfront restaurant here in New Bern is always operating, always popping. And you guys had some really inspiring ideas when COVID hit of doing these to-go meal kits. How did that go for you guys, and what kind of traction did you have?
Well, originally we were just trying to stay alive and generate enough interest to kind of keep, people coming and keep them interested in the restaurant. And it was only like 1 or 2 days, and then all of a sudden it just blew up beyond what we
anything that you could imagine.
It really became an overnight success to the point we had to hire more people back. I mean, we turned the entire dining room into basically a food factory.
Nice.
It was pretty insane getting adjusted, but once it took off, we just kind of rolled with it and tried to keep new things coming out every week to keep people engaged and excited about what we were doing. So it worked out well.
Yeah, that's awesome. Because you guys offered kind of like different. I mean, it was pretty much just like curbside pickup. Here's your meal. Here's your ingredients. Here's how you fit. It was basically like Home Chef, but from a great local restaurant.
Basically, yeah.
Which is awesome because, I mean, during this time, it was so important for us to support our local businesses. And you guys also did a really great job at reaching out to other local restaurants and making sure that they were doing good, that y'all were all on the same page, just trying to keep that traction and momentum coming to our downtown area. Because without our downtown shops and things, I'm sure you guys know that partnership has to be there for success on both ends, driving traffic to this area. And how long has Persimmons been open?
we actually just celebrated our 10th anniversary in August.
Awesome, yeah.
But I guess as far as he and I are concerned, I've been here about 6 years, five and 6 years.
Nice,
So.
yeah, because y'all are really, New Bern's only premier waterfront dining. You guys have that nice little niche.
Yeah.
Locked down. I mean, you can't beat this view. You guys have an upstairs and a downstairs, as well as some spacious indoor dining. And obviously, you can't beat these views. But back to those to-go meal kits. So Thanksgiving is coming up.
Yeah.
And you guys have dropped some teasers on social media that you guys are bringing back the meal kits especially for Thanksgiving, right?
We are. So the idea, and we'll be releasing this probably beginning of next week officially, but there'll be a turkey option, a ham option, or a smaller like just turkey breast option or smaller ham option, or you can do a turkey and a ham.
Awesome.
So trying to make it as user-friendly as possible from small families of 2 to 4 all the way up to 10 to 12 people, if you will. As with everything we do, there'll be a ton of different sides and all the traditional fixings and some fun stuff. So we're just really trying to make it an easy one-stop shop for everything. So it should be good.
Yeah. Well, and I know I've considered even. I'm obviously due. I'm expecting and slightly due. Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations.
And might be due around that time. And I think with everyone and like COVID, they're unaware of their holiday plans. They're unaware of what might happen. So when I saw you guys with meal kits, and I was like, well, I'm gonna be 8 months pregnant. I don't want to be fixing dinner on Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So whenever I saw you guys were offering that, I was like, huh. I was like, well, I need to take advantage of this.
Yeah. Honestly, it's probably what he and I are going to do too.
Yeah. Right?
I mean, look, it's simple. When we plan them out, it's one of those things where it's like you pop, you put the turkey in the oven and the ham in the oven, and then it's like everything else goes in the oven and everything comes out at the same time.
Yep,
Hopefully,
you're done.
It's done. It's easy.
We got cut off a little bit right there, but Antonio was just saying how Well, I'll let you say what you were saying.
We were just talking about how the meal kits are a really great experience for the whole family to get together in the kitchen. 'Cause,
Yeah.
You know, he and I spend a lot of time with our families in the kitchen, and it's always just a lot of fun hanging out with the kids, having them cut some stuff, and drinking a little wine, and just spending time together as a family at the end of the day. So.
Yeah,
A lot of
exactly.
drinking wine.
Yeah, right. Wine, and you pair it with let all the kids do the cooking. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, especially around the time of the holidays, it's really important just to get everyone gathered in the kitchen and have a nice little family moment. And I think with COVID being so crazy this year, just no one knows what's gonna be going on with family traditions. That your Thanksgiving might look a little different. I know mine is. And so, but like you said, it's a great opportunity and really a great opportunity for life, teaching kids life skills.
Yeah,
everyone needs to know how to cook. And I'm sure you guys, I'm sure your wives love that you guys are the ones that cook, or at least you're the one that cooks.
So
I
you
don't
would
know if
think
you're
I'm the
a
one that gets to
cooker.
cook at home, but it's not as often as you think.
Yeah. That's why I had mentioned earlier that my brother-in-law is a chef, and he's just like, yeah, whenever I get home, I don't want to cook. It's the last thing I want to do. But y'all have done a really amazing, truly an amazing job offering these services and truly just pivoting during COVID as a great way to bring traction to downtown and support other local businesses. So,
In our community.
yeah,
We just want
exactly.
to do our part to keep people safe and make things easy,
Yeah.
hopefully delicious.
Yeah, well, right. And these home kits were a great way to do it. And you guys offer a great variety menu, and I know I love y'all's brunch here. It's one of my favorites. I love to come out here and sit on a Sunday before, maybe with a mimosa, not anymore.
Yeah.
But
You're not too far from getting that back.
yeah, exactly. But I mean, you can't beat the view that you guys have, the bridge right there. And after this video, I'll do a little walkthrough of the restaurant in case you've never been here before. But again, we just wanted to thank you guys for doing such a great job in our community and offering this and bringing that traction to downtown and having some really awesome ideas that you guys brought to Newbern.
No, thank you. And the community's done great supporting us too.
Yeah.
So we're very, very, very thankful because
This is our home at the end of the day.
Yeah, exactly. Right? We all live here. We all want Newbern. Newbern's such a beautiful area.
We all rise together. We all fall together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
that's how it works.
Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.